Hello viewers, welcome to Danny's Paramparya Samayal. Today we are going to see how to make potato cheese nuggets. Pressure cook 2 large potatoes. If the potatoes are small, take 4. After it cools down, peel off the skin. After peeling the skin, smash the potatoes with a smasher. Add a teaspoon of red chili flakes. If you want to increase the spice level, add another teaspoon. Then add a teaspoon of oregano. Add a handful of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Add a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add salt according to taste. Add a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Now mix all the ingredients well. There shouldn't be any potato lumps. Smash it while mixing. Now add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Take a handful of the mixture, make it into ball, and then I'm trying to make a triangle shape out of it. In a small bowl, take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add half a teaspoon of salt and 1/3 cup of water and mix it well. Avoid any lumps. It should be of watery consistency. In a plate, take breadcrumbs. Now dip the triangles in the flour mixture. Then coat it with breadcrumbs. First I decided on making triangles but my daughter wanted balls, so I made different shapes, balls and also cylinders. There is no hard fast rule. You can make your nuggets of any shapes you want. Now we are going to deep fry our potato cheese nuggets. Keep them in high flame and deep fry them. This helps in getting crispy outer layer for our nuggets. Keep flipping the nuggets so it gets fried on all the sides. When the nuggets turn reddish brown in color, take them out. I will give the list of ingredients and their measurements in the description box of this video. You can also freeze these nuggets before frying and keep it handy for any special occasion like parties or when you have sudden guests at home. You can just take it out of the freezer, defrost it and then deep fry it and then serve them. From kids to adults, everyone loves these nuggets. It's always a hit when I make it at home or to parties. These nuggets are crisp on the outside and soft in the inside. Serve them hot with ketchup. Do try this recipe at home and let me know how did it go in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye friends.